welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the popcorns and shells stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a double crochet and a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 6 plus 4. Once you have all of your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 4. And in the 6th chain from the hook, you are going to work a 5 treble crochet cluster, which means that you'll be working 5 treble crochets into one stitch. So what you'll do is you'll yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, and you'll leave that last loop on your hook. And when you end up having 6 loops total on your hook, then you pull through all 6 loops. And that'll give you your 5 treble crochet cluster. Then we will chain 1, skip 2, and in the 3rd chain, we are going to work 3 treble crochets all within the same stitch. Then we are going to chain 1, and we are going to work a 5 treble crochet cluster. We are going to chain 1, skip 2, and work a 5 treble crochet cluster. And here we are at the end. We are going to chain 1, skip 1, and work 1 treble crochet in the last stitch. And that is just to give the side of your work a nice even edge. All right. So now we are going to turn our work. We are going to chain 1, and we are going to double crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Now you want to make sure as you get to the end of the row, when you do your last stitch, you're actually going to be doing it within the chain 4 wall and not the loop. So what that means is you'll actually do your last double crochet stitch in one of the chains from the last. So I'll show you how to do that. So you just kind of find the chain right there and just insert your hook into the last little chain stitch. So to get started for row 3, we are going to chain 4. We are going to skip 1, and in the 2nd stitch, we are going to work a 5 treble crochet cluster. Now the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 3 and 4. And you'll want to repeat rows 3 and 4 until you end up getting your desired height and size for your project. Next, we will chain 1, we will skip 2, and we will work 3 treble crochets in the same stitch. Then we will chain 1, skip 2, and work 3 treble crochets all within this. We will work a 5 treble crochet cluster. Ooh, not sure where my brain went with that one. It's a mouthful. There we go. And then we'll finish off by chaining 1 and working 1 treble crochet in the last stitch. We'll chain 1, skip 1, and work a treble crochet in the last stitch. I've messed myself up completely. So then we will chain 1 and we will double crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Again, making sure that you do your last stitch for the row in the chain wall itself. And that is it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That is how you do the popcorns and shells stitch pattern. This is honestly a very fun project. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.